From watching Republic Day camp on screen as a dreamer to standing firm in Guard of Honor, this journey has been my transformation. Jai Hind, I am Under Officer Pranshu from 31 UP Girls Battalion NCC and a BTech CSE second year student at Galgotias University. Coming from an army background, देश की सेवा मेरे लिए सिर्फ एक सपना नहीं, एक जिम्मेदारी रही है. The uniform has always inspired me, and joining the armed forces has been my ultimate goal. When I first stepped in Galgotias University, joining NCC was my first decisive step towards that dream. Republic Day 2026 marked a defining chapter in my NCC journey. Out of lakhs of cadets among the 17 directorates, only 120 was selected for the prestigious Guard of Honor. Being one among them was not just an achievement, it was a moment of immense pride and responsibility. जब हमने सलामी दी तो वो सिर्फ एक सल्यूट नहीं था. It was respect, dedication and commitment in one powerful moment. At DG NCC and the historic Karyappa Parade Ground in Delhi Camp, I had the honor to represent UP Directorate by giving salami to the nation's highest dignitaries like the Vice President of India, the Chief of Army, Navy and Air Force, and our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. From watching Republic Day camp on screen as a dreamer to standing firm in Guard of Honor, this journey has been my transformation. The Republic Day camp sharpened my leadership, strengthened my patience and elevated the discipline in me. The unstoppable energy of the Samman Guard team, precision in every drill and the brotherhood formed on and off the parade ground will forever fuel my life's march. Returning from RDC after months of dedication and hard work, I stand taller with unshakable confidence. Let us unite in strength, uphold discipline and honor our nation through our actions. Jai Hind. Galgotias University played an instrumental role in this achievement. Attendance flexibility was provided, internal assessments were supported, and exams were reconducted whenever required, ensuring that I could balance my rigorous NCC training along with my academics. My faculty guided and supported me throughout the journey so that I can grow both as a cadet and as a student.